First of all, I would like to wish a very good morning to respected Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. As you all know that today is Children's Day and we have gathered here to celebrate it. This day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was a great freedom fighter and an active member of Indian National Congress. He also shared an affectionate relationship with children, who fondly called him Chacha Nehru. He was of the opinion that children are the future of a nation and hence they must be nurtured and educated well. For this very reason, his birthday, which falls on 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day and dedicated to the cause of child welfare. Celebrating this day as Children's Day started all across India after his death in 1964. The United Nations celebrates Children's Day globally on 20th November as it marks the anniversary of the Declaration of the Child Rights by the UN General Assembly. The celebration of this day reminds us to renew our commitment towards children's welfare, including their proper health, education, and all-round development, as they are the building blocks of a strong nation. Children have the capacity to change a nation positively. They grow up to become responsible citizens and leaders of tomorrow. This day also reminds us about the importance of children in family, society, and country. On this day, the cabinet ministers and other officials of the government pay homage to Pandit Nehru at his Samadhi at Shantivan in Delhi. Variety of cultural programs and activities are organized in various educational institutions to celebrate the day with a lot of enthusiasm. Inspirational songs, dances, short dramas are performed by children in remembrance of Pandit Nehru. Essay writing, speech, quiz, and drawing competitions are also held. Children are the picture of innocence and adored by everyone. We must ensure that the rights of children are protected and they are not exploited. Let us all celebrate this day by joining hands together and taking a pledge to secure the present and future of our nation with proper care and love. Children are the valuable assets of a nation as well as future and hope of tomorrow. It is rightly said that God is closest to children because their hearts and minds are pure and innocent. With this, I would like to conclude my speech, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you and have a memorable day.